As part of our Price of Paradise series, we wanted to give you an update on the housing market and what you can expect to see in 2025.
We've watched home prices soar in recent years. ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott is looking into this, getting advice on what you need to do if you want to buy or sell this year.
While the housing market has been a big topic of conversation in recent years, experts say there may be some good news to share for 2025. Back in 2020, we saw some of the highest housing prices and turnover in sales that we've ever seen. Since then, the housing market has struggled to regain equilibrium. I spoke with Tampa Bay real estate agent Tiffany Michael about the outlook.
Now, we're just feeling the pains of inflation from 2 years ago, not totally being shaken off yet.
In 2024, Tiffany tells me we did have some stabilization, which helped cool things off a little bit. Listings were on the market a bit longer than they had been, and inventory was up because people were more hesitant to buy in 2024 compared to the previous year. Many were waiting to see if the Fed would drop interest rates.
That there hasn't been a high inclination for the Fed to lower those rates. If we did that, it would cause another spike on the market, which we really want to avoid.
Now in 2025, rate cuts are expected to slow over the course of the year.
We think that the buyer is going to pick up. The buyer numbers, the buyer closed sales are going to pick up a bit because we're going to kind of lose that infatuation with hawk-eyeing the interest rates dropping.
With mortgage rates still pretty high, experts predict a rise in home prices, but at a much slower rate.
And I think this is going to be the year that it's going to feel a lot more comfortable.
Overall, Tiffany tells me the housing market will likely stay pretty stable this year, which could make it a better opportunity for people looking to buy or sell.
Right now, you have less competition and pricing is really stable.
Tiffany stresses, though, if you're in the market, preparation is key. If you're a buyer, go ahead and get your pre-approval so you're ready to go. And if you're a seller, she recommends taking a few steps to get ahead of the game.
Go ahead and get a pre-home inspection, check everything out, see what may need to be repaired, and go ahead and get that knocked out. Then you can also work on staging, figuring out how to kind of redesign or rework some rooms.
Reporting in Tampa, Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.
Now, we've covered the cost of housing extensively for years as part of our Price of Paradise series. If you want to check out more content related to this topic, take out your phone now and scan that QR code you see on your screen. It will take you directly to the Price of Paradise section of our website, where you can see all of our previous stories covering affordable housing, insurance, and much more.